As we take you on a drive around the outside of the building now, let's give you some final thoughts on the Motel 6 Anaheim Maingate. As I've wrote in my blog post, it's a Motel 6, so not too many surprises here. I will say though that I was surprised by the amount of amenities. The pool and the hot tub were nice, the laundry room looked very useful, and the location is not too bad. This property is near the Cambria Hotel that you'll see upcoming here in a minute, the Candlewood, Peacock Suites, and just behind also the Clementine Hotel property. So it is a bit of a walk, but it's very doable. And of course, if you're not up for walking, because it is on the farther side, then there's the art buses as always. So as you can see, it is quite a large property. If you have a big group, this might be a nice place to check out. But again, it's a Motel 6. It met those expectations, didn't really exceed anything, but for what it is, it was very nice, and we did enjoy our night's stay there. So this has been Stacy, your Disney hotel lady. Be sure to check out the video where I compare and contrast all our budget hotels in this series. And don't forget, DisneyHotelLady.com for all the latest hotel reviews. Also on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where you can join our hotel discussion group. Thanks for watching.